entry into Tel Aviv Savidor Center. Let's go. Right. Do you want me to do the talking bit? Yeah. Let's go then. See what we can do. Very easy. She was very helpful. So you need this ticket. It's called a RAF ticket apparently, and it saves you a lot of money on the train. We have got to Acre tomorrow and back, and to Haifa and back on Thursday for 89 shekel.
Yeah.
What's that? That's less than £20. 50 pound is a tenner. 100 is £20. So
18.
that's 10 less. £18 to Acre and back and Haifa and back. Very good, AP.
Yeah.
And we can use it anytime, no set time.
Yeah, no set time. Yeah, that's
Yeah, very helpful. There it is. Train booked. We've just walked in. Behind us they have security everywhere, don't they?
Oh, yeah.
In Israel, which I think you would expect coming here. You see the 1/3 from bottom, what says Naharia at 8:28, platform 1. That's us, that's where the train is heading. Naharia. Let's go. Go on then, Pete, let's see if we can do it the first time. You go first. Yay, good lad, first time. Oh no, I failed. Naharia, platform 1. And a nice cappuccino. I don't want to speak too soon, Pete, but that's been extremely easy.
Yeah.
I guess this is ours. Looks like a double-decker, Pete. 2 minutes early. Upstairs, downstairs. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you all on YouTube very, very soon. Goodbye everybody.